Hello, first of all, a very warm welcome to this YouTube channel. Today I am here in front of you to express my views on a topic wireless network that I have covered. And today we are going to talk about wireless networks, its few examples, advantages, limitations, and a conclusion. So without wasting our time, let's start this video. Yeah, this is what we are going to talk about today. Wireless networks. What are wireless networks? As its name signifies itself, wireless. Wireless means that any network which does not include the use of wires. Wireless networks are computer networks that are not connected by cables of any kind. The use of a wireless network enables enterprises to avoid the costly process of introducing cables into buildings or any equipment. So, if networks don't use wires, then how they connect? Wireless networks basically use radio waves to connect devices and interact with each other devices such as laptops to the internet, business network and application, mobile phones, speakers and many other examples. Bluetooth. Bluetooth is a main example, or we can say first example of wireless networks. Bluetooth is a wireless technology standard used for exchanging data between fixed and mobile devices over short distances using short wavelength UHF radio waves in the industrial, scientific, and medical ratio bands from 2.402 GHz to 0.480 GHz and building personal area networks. What does Bluetooth do? Bluetooth is a wireless communication standard which allows electronic devices to connect and interact with each other. It can be found in a number of gadgets from smartphones to loudspeakers to laptops and many more gadgets that we use today in our day-to-day life. Inventor of Bluetooth, Dr. Jab Hudson invented Bluetooth in 90s while working at Ericsson's. He has been also nominated as a finalist by the European Patent Office in the industry category for its European Inventor Award. Bluetooth. Here we have some basic information about Bluetooth. Bluetooth is managed by the Bluetooth Special Interest Group (BSIG), which has more than 35,000 plus members companies in the areas of telecommunication, computing, networking, and consumer electronics. The IEEE standardization Bluetooth as IEEE 802.15.1 but no longer maintains the standard. The Bluetooth SIG oversees development of the specifications, manages the qualification program, and many other trademarks. Here we have a basic flowchart that will explain Bluetooth easily. Bluetooth is developed by Bluetooth Special Interest Group. Here we can see compatibility, personal computers, smartphones, gaming controls, audio device, and physical range. The range of Bluetooth devices is typically less than 10 meter and up to 100 meter, but when we go to 100 meters, the Bluetooth speed decreases. Yeah, that's all about Bluetooth. So now let's talk about Wi-Fi. This is another example of wireless networks. Wi-Fi is a wireless networking technology that allows devices such as computers, laptops, mobiles, and other equipments to interact with internet or exchange some data that you can. Internet connectivity occurs through a wireless router. When you access Wi-Fi, you are connecting to a wireless router that allows your Wi-Fi compatible device to interface with the internet or any desirable task that you want to perform. Wi-Fi is not an acronym. It is a brand name created by a marketing firm that's meant to serve as an interoperability seal of marketing efforts. Wi-Fi was basically developed by Vic in yeah, here we can see Wi-Fi was basically developed by Vic, full name Victor Hayes, born July 31 in 1941. He is also known as father of Wi-Fi. He is a he was sorry he was a former senior research fellow at the Delft University of Technology. Advantages of Wi-Fi. There are basically many advantages of Wi-Fi that we can that we know, and here are some advantages that I have listed. It is easy to add or move Wi-Fi clients or Wi-Fi station to the Wi-Fi network created by access points. Installation is very quick and easy. Access to the Wi-Fi network can be available from anywhere within the Wi-Fi access point. Wi-Fi enabled usable dongles are also available at affordable rates. Latest Wi-Fi standards such as 11 and 11 AC deliver fast data connection that can be up to 300 megabytes per second and higher. And as it is also easy to integrate with Wi-Fi functionality in the mobile computing device, it is now being used by millions of people around the globe using various devices such as PCs, laptops, PDAs, printers, cameras, games, MP3 players, smartphones, etc. and a lot of list that we can add. Yeah, here are some limitations of Wi-Fi. Data transfer rate decreases to individual computer when number of clients or computer connected with Wi-Fi network increases. Yeah, data transfer data basically this says that when the when there are when the number of clients increases in uh, individual computer, then the speed of wireless network Wi-Fi decreases. Full security is difficult to achieve. Yeah, Wi-Fi is not as secure. It can be hacked easily. Wi-Fi devices operate in full functionality and without any interruption when they are within the range of AP and receiving good signal strength. Wi-Fi access is limited to about 30 to 100 meters. Yeah, range is also a problem in this, but it is upgraded than the other example Bluetooth we have talked earlier. Its range is a little higher, we can say. In case Wi-Fi connection does not work, minimal troubleshooting are needed. Yeah, this is the basic, basic. Yeah, this is the basic problem that occurs. I mean, if we lose the connection, then we will have some bit of problem. Before using Wi-Fi devices, one need to install software from the CD provided by the manufacturer in the desktop or laptop. Future scope. Yeah. So future scope of wireless network. Future scope of wireless network is good in my eyes because it is good and cheap. Yeah, we can say low cost and ease of use are the cause of its increasing popularity. Wireless network needs less maintenance than a wired network. The advancement in wireless technology has made it possible for us to reach anyone anytime using just cell phones. And the future scope that we are talking about here, we have an example WiMAX that will be the next generation of wireless. And conclusion, wireless communication globally is something that people can expect as technology advances. With more research and experiments conducted, the problem associated with wireless communication can be reduced and make it a more significant part of the world. So that was all about wireless network. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed and liked this video. Okay, bye.